Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will discuss recycle bin is grayed out in desktop icon sitting on Windows 10. Open local group policy. Click on edit group policy. Navigate to the desktop section under administrative templates. Double click on remove recycle bin icon from desktop settings. Select not configure and save your change. Now the recycle bin option can be seen. Open Registry Editor on Windows computer. Select Yes. Paste the link and click Enter. The link will be given in the description box of the video. Navigate to NonEnum folder. Create a DWORD 32-bit value. The name will be given in the description box of the video. Set the value data as 0. Thanks for watching.